A very good morning to all and welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, so today we are going to see about C programming. Okay, so this course is basically for beginners who are new to programming. Okay, so first of all I'll just give a background knowledge of all the languages which we have seen. Okay, so first one is COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, Basic, C, C++, and C Sharp. Okay, so these are the particular languages which we use for writing code. Okay, so let us start with C programming. Okay, so first we'll be seeing a little bit about C programming, who developed C programming, and what is C about, what is C language, and what things we can do with C, and what topics we'll be covering in this video. We'll be talking about those things. Okay, so first, C is a programming language developed at AT&T Bell's Laboratory of USA in 1972. Okay, so it was designed and written by Dennis Ritchie. Okay, so the main thing is that this is a structured programming language, and before C was made or C was evolved, we had a language called as COBOL. It was also a good language, but it was not a structured language. It was a procedural language. Okay, so it was quite difficult to make a software using a procedural language. Okay, but nowadays we have structured programming language, we have OOP, we have object oriented programming languages like C++, C Sharp, Java. Okay, so with the help of these object oriented programming paradigm, we can make softwares easily. Okay, so C is a general purpose structured programming language. It is often called as a middle level language. Okay, so a middle level language means the language which comes between the assembly language as well as the high level language. Okay, so the assembly language means which is the lower level language, and the C, which is known as a middle level language, comes between the lower level language as well as the high level language. Okay, so C, being a middle level language, allows us to use the features or the functions of the lower level languages also, as well as the high level language. Okay, so lower level language means we can easily talk to the hardware, we can talk to the memory easily. Okay, and the high level language means we can use the English words like the keywords, the identifiers, and the variables in English words. Okay, so it is a high level language. Humans can understand those language. Okay, it is not in a binary language. Okay, so this is basics of C. Okay, C is also called as a structured language. Okay, because we are having everything structured. Okay, we are having the data types, we are having the syntax, we are having the condition statements, we are having the loop statements. Okay, everything is structured. Okay, nothing is unstructured. Okay, nothing is procedural. Okay, everything is structured. Okay, so C code is very portable, that it allows the same C program to run on the same machine with different hardware configurations. Okay, so this is the flexibility, this is the portability provided by the C language. Okay, the flexibility of C allows it to be used for system programming as well as for application programming. Okay, so we can, with the help of C programming, we can make system softwares, we can make operating systems, we can make application softwares, we can make the famous operating system programmed by using C programming languages, Unix. Okay, Unix was a famous operating system, the most secure operating system we have. Okay, so this is the basic of C programming, and now we'll be seeing what topics we'll be covering in this. Okay, the language means I have given us a little bit idea about what is C language. Okay, then we'll be seeing what is data types, we'll be seeing what is string, what are the functions of strings. Okay, so we'll be seeing printf and scanf statements, how to print a particular thing on the screen and how to get the inputs from the users. Okay, then we'll be seeing about operators. Okay, the plus, minus, modulus, divide, multiply, and other types of operators. Okay, Then we'll be seeing about the statements. Okay, there are many kind of statements. Okay, we have the conditional statements, we have the loop statements, and more other types of statements. Okay, then we'll be seeing about the arrays. Okay, arrays, what are arrays and types of arrays, single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, and more other types of arrays. Okay, then we'll be seeing about the structure. Okay, the structure is a user defined data types, okay, which through which we can use our own data types. We can make our own data types, we can create our own data types with the help of structure, which is a user defined data type. Then we will be seeing something about the pointers. Okay, what is a pointer, what we can do with the pointers, how can we use memory efficiently with the help of pointers. Okay, then the next topic is about memory. Okay, then we have the preprocessor topic. Okay, preprocessor means what things are executed before the code. Okay, so preprocessor are some particular line of code which we write before the starting of the code. Okay, before the execution of the code starts. Okay, so these things are being processed previously. Pre-process means they are processed first. Okay, if it was post process, it would have been processed later on when the code has been executed. Okay, but it is preprocessor. Okay, then we'll be seeing about files, how to open a file with the help of C programming, how to close a file. Okay, this allows us to create a file like a doc file or exe file or a text file. Okay, with the help of a particular program. Okay, then we'll be seeing about data structures. Okay, what is data structures, how can we use data structure in our programs to organize our data which we are using in the program. Okay, so we in this data structure topic we will be covering the topics of algorithms, flowcharts, and the last is data structures. Okay, how can we use algorithms to write a program, how can we use a flowchart which is a visual representation of an algorithm. Okay, and together using those algorithms as well as the flowchart to write a program. Okay, then we'll be seeing about the sorting. Okay, sorting is a kind of a data structure to sort a particular record, a particular value in your data. Okay, in your data means the data which is in your program, which is used in your program. Okay, then we have these you can see this .h. Okay, the h specifies a header file. Okay, so these are particular header files which we'll be using in the programs. Okay, so the math.h means this particular header file is used for the calculation purposes. Okay, like the trigonometry thing which we calculate on a paper can be used also in a program. Okay, so this math.h header file is having all those trigonometrical formulas, the algebra formulas. Okay, trigonometric formulas like cos, sine, tan theta, cos theta, and all those kind of things. Okay, so this is the syllabus. Okay, the kind of syllabus which we'll be going through. Okay, in this whole tutorial. Okay, so the first one is about language. Okay, the language part gives you a very brief introduction of C. Okay, we have seen what is C is a structured language, and it's a middle level language between the lower level as well as the higher level. What things we can do with the C programming. Okay, we can make softwares, we can make applications, we can make operating systems, like example a Unix operating system, and lot of things. We can make games, we can do graphics. Okay, and the main thing is it is a structured language. Okay, and it was designed and written by Dennis Ritchie. Okay, in 1972. Okay, so thank you for listening to me. Okay, so this was an overall brief of C programming. So next video we'll be seeing about the language part. Okay, in which I'll be telling you how to write your first program, what are the C language keywords. Okay, then what is a main function, what things we have to write in the main function, and some more important things. Okay, so thank you, see you in the next video.